Hi, welcome to another episode of Hot Takes. Now, the government recently announced they're removing a line from the Online Harm Act, which basically says it's legal but harmful. They're removing that because they realise that legal but harmful is, well, a movable feast. Who is to say what is harmful? Sometimes you have to show things that are harmful in order to push a point. For example, making children watch Threads could be described as legal but harmful, but also essential. It's a difficult thing, making them watch, or something that's got difficult viewing, legal but harmful, but again, good in the long run. To Kill a Mockingbird, for example, very difficult viewing for some, but still a great story. Well, the government have dropped that because they say it's hard and it's objective, but Ofcom have now picked up the legal but harmful moniker, and they're running with it. And they're using Adolescence, the programme Adolescence, as the cudgel with which to beat the government. Now, the only problem they have is the description of it. To say that it's a drama would therefore mean it was not. It was legal, but is it harmful if it's a drama? The only other trouble is you could say and claim, as Keir Starmer has, that it's a documentary, in which case it could be legal but harmful. On the other hand, again, of course, the fact is it can't possibly be a documentary because the people it was based on were not necessarily the colours portrayed in the documentary. And so therefore it's a dramatisation. It may be a dramatisation of events, but it's been changed beyond recognition in all ways. But they are going to now, Ofcom, ban companies from putting out content that they say is harmful but legal, legal but harmful for kids to see. But as I say, who's to make that judgment? Now, there are, of course, existing rules as to age groups. The British Board of Film Censors, for example, says, you can see this at 13, you can see that at 18, and so forth, to show things that are judged to be, say, 15 to a 13-year-old would be tantamount to abuse. Exactly what Keir Starmer did. By his own admission, he's now a child abuser. And so it's very difficult. And does the status harmful pertain to every child of any particular age, or is it only certain children? Would it be harmful because of ethnicity? Would it be harmful for religious purposes? And so forth. It's all very subjective. Who's to say what is who? Who knows? What are we having next? Curfews? Ankle bracelets to monitor children, see where they go? It's all very control freakery, isn't it? The world we live in, eh? All control, control, control. No freedoms, no rights of parents to make the decisions. No, must all be made by bureaucrats. Thanks very much. Bye.